forget to enter my Visa gift card giveaway. It's easy. Just be subscribed to my channel and comment Visa in the comments section below. Good luck! Thank you for joining me this past week for Dora Days, in honor of the new Dora the Explorer movie that's coming out in theaters this weekend. And here is a very special Dora the Explorer story, just for you. It's that time again, double feature time, and it's a special Dora the Explorer double feature in honor of the new Dora the Explorer movie. First up, click it quick. Then stay tuned after that story for What is that noise? Dora the Explorer. Click it quick. Senior Toucan is having an animal picture contest. He will give us clues. Then we have to click it quick to win. Will you help us? Let's go. The first clue says, find a bird that likes to quack. If you are by the water, you are on the right track. Do you see a bird that likes to quack? Yes, a duck lives by the water and likes to quack. Let's take his picture. Click it quick. The next clue says, this animal lives in a den that is warm and snug. His pointy quills make him hard to hug. Do you see an animal with quills? Yeah, it is a porcupine. Look at his quills. Let's be quiet so we don't wake him. Click it quick. The last clue says, find an animal who is quiet and quick. Swiping things is his favorite trick. Do you know who it is? Is it a cat or a mouse or a fox? It is a fox. Swiper the fox. Oh no! That quick fox wants to swipe our camera. Say, swiper no swiping. Great! Now we can click it quick. We did it! Dora the Explorer. What is that noise? My sister and brother are babies. One is a girl and one is a boy. It is time for them to nap, but something is making a squeaky noise and keeping them awake. What is that noise? Let's explore to find the noise. The noise could be a toy. What toy could it be? Yes, it could be a toy that makes a squeaky noise. Which toy makes noise? A horn makes a squeaky noise, but no one is playing the horn. It is in the toy box, so it is not making any noise. Wait, I hear the noise again. It is coming from outside. Maybe it is the gate. When it swings open, the gate makes a squeaky noise. Poppy is putting oil on the gate. Oil makes squeaky things stop making noise. But listen, I still hear that noise. And the noise is getting louder. It's Benny's wagon. The wheels are making a squeaky noise. Do you know what can fix that noise? Point to it. Yes, Poppy's oil will fix the noise. I put oil on Benny's wagon. Now it is not making that squeaky noise. And now I hear a new noise. It sounds like this. Zzz. Do you know what it is? Enjoy your nap, babies! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed these 2 stories, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.